Because of its nature, boredom tends to pull us back into bad habits, like today's widespread doomscrolling, the most time-consuming activity humankind has ever known. We open our phones to kill a few minutes, and before we know it, hours have slipped away. But here's the good news, you don't have to let boredom win. I've been working on this myself, and I found a solution that's really helped me reduce the time I spend scrolling. I realized that doomscrolling wasn't just stealing my time, it was leaving me frustrated and feeling like I never had enough time for the things I actually enjoy, like drawing. So I decided to make a small but impactful change. I started carrying around a small sketchbook, this one, to replace my phone. Now, whenever boredom hits or an idea pops into my head, I can sketch it and immortalize it on paper. It doesn't matter if I'm on the bus, walking, or waiting for a friend. Those moments that used to disappear into endless scrolling are now moments of productivity. As someone who loves drawing, this habit has been a game changer. Not only has it helped me escape the doomscrolling trap, but it's also given me more time to improve at something I truly enjoy. Plus, carrying a sketchbook encourages you to draw from real life, which is something people tend to ignore, but that it's fundamental to improve at drawing. If this video sparked your interest, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. That's all for today. See ya!